Hey there, everybody. We're here with another video. Robinhood progress from $500 to $1,000,000. And I'm just going to recap what happened today and what I'm planning to do later in the week. Alright, so first the thing is first. I was trading DGAS today. I bought in around 49. It was 49.60 cents. It was under $50. That was my average buy-in price, which was somewhere around here, even lower, whatever. So it was around $50, let's say, and I had 11 shares. I put in almost my whole position, all my account value into that, and it turns out that according to just previous patterns, you can't see here because of the terrible graph as well. But it always bounces up from $49 up to around $55. And what did I do? I sold it around $55 right here, right? I sold it at a nice price, and I gained about $5 per share, $5.50 per share. That's a pretty nice profit. So I gained over like $50-$60 on that stock, which helped me boost up in the last 2 days with the capital on my account. And what's next? I said yesterday that I was gonna do something very risky, and it's not super risky, but options are pretty risky, you gotta admit, if you know what options are. So I bought a TQQQ option because I believe it was gonna go up, and I messed up. I was so excited about, oh, I'm gonna trade some options. Well, I messed up. I was gonna buy it for around 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, for December 22nd, but I ended up buying for December 14th, and it's already December 11th. So it expires on Friday, so I'm trying to sell it tomorrow, probably at the best price I can. I don't even want to make the profit, but I just want to get my money back. I bought the $46.50 because I believed it was gonna go up to around $49. But I thought it was gonna happen like in a week or so, because just simple support and resistance. I'll make a video on that this weekend. I'm promising you guys, by the way. Alright, so simple support and resistance. It usually stops around here, $47, and here, $49. So I thought, oh, look, it's gonna take like a week for it to get to here, and so probably it's gonna happen again. Well, hopefully it does. I'm really hoping for that, but I'm just waiting to get rid of this because of the bad buy-in price, and I already lost $10 on it, 9%. Pretty sad. But hey, I want to learn some options trading because I want to be like the jack of all trades. I want to know how to trade everything, forex, stocks, options, and everything, because I just want to be available in every market. You know, I want to know how to do everything in every market. All right, so. What's next? So I bought in some JDST. Sorry, JDST right here. I bought in around $66.80, and it's been going up from there. Just according to previous patterns, it always bounced around the area $68, $68, 67.5, and it's at $68. So I bought in at this pretty nice price, around 66.80. It was when I was in this hole right here. So I bought in there and then just waited for it to go up. And I'm waiting for it to go around at least the $75 range to anywhere to the $80 range, which will be a nice profit. I might add more to my position tomorrow because I actually feel good about the stock, and I see what's going on with it. Also, I'm trading SPXL, which is also an ETF that's leveraged. You know, I like those leveraged ETFs. More money to gain, but also more to lose. So I better make the right choices. Alright, so according to previous patterns, it's slightly downtrending, but whenever it goes down to like this hole, here was here was $39, almost 40, and here was also 39, and here was also $39. And from here, where do you think it's gonna go? Just answer this rhetorical question. Yeah, it's gonna go up, right? So So I'm hoping for it to go up to around $44. That would be an ideal price point for me to sell. I don't want to hold it for the last minute because I don't want to just end up losing everything on it when it just declines really sharply. Yeah, so around $44 would be a nice gain. That's around 10%. So yeah, I'm just waiting for that, and I'm not sure if I should buy more into my position because I still have a lot of available capital, like 321 dollars, and I might buy some more shares into this or JDST, and I'm not sure. And I just want to get rid of this TQQQ option because I have no idea what I was doing. So that was the risky thing I was talking about before, if you were wondering. Yeah, and that was basically it. Just degas was the main factor today for today's success. Up 5.5% and 0.26% after hours. That's not bad. Up like $37 on the day. Started from 500. Now I'm up to almost 700. My goal by the end of this week is to get above like $720. We'll see if we make it.